To start crypto mining, you need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency and the mining process. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. Mining is the process of verifying these transactions and adding them to a public ledger called a blockchain. First, choose a cryptocurrency to mine, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Research the cryptocurrency's mining difficulty, block reward, and market price to determine its profitability. Next, select a mining hardware, which can be a central processing unit, graphics processing unit, or application-specific integrated circuit. Install the necessary software, including a mining operating system and a mining pool software. A mining pool is a group of miners who combine their computing power to increase their chances of solving complex mathematical equations and earning block rewards. Set up your mining rig by connecting your hardware to a power source and a computer. Configure your mining software to connect to a mining pool and start mining. Monitor your mining rig's performance and adjust settings as needed to optimize its efficiency. It is essential to consider the costs of mining, including electricity, hardware, and maintenance. Calculate your mining rig's hash rate, power consumption, and potential earnings to determine its profitability. Stay up to date with the latest mining trends and best practices to maximize your earnings and minimize your costs. Finally, ensure you follow all applicable laws and regulations regarding cryptocurrency mining in your area. Start with a small-scale mining operation and gradually scale up as you gain experience and knowledge. By following these steps and staying informed, you can successfully start crypto mining and earn a profit.